Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. So I've been holding some parts for a while and I want to hopefully get all of these installed. You can see mid pipe. I'm not sure if I'm going to be installing that today, but I do have some carbon pieces. I did get a broken splitter right here, so I had to get a replacement, genuine BMW splitter. And I also have some side skirts as well, so side skirts should be going up for sure today. And yeah, we're almost done with the exterior carbon pieces. Yeah, the carbon side skirts are here. We're gonna go to Daniel's house later today, but first I gotta get a smog check because I need to renew my tags and it's getting late. Before I install the catless mid pipe, I have to get the smog check done so that, you know, we pass, we get our tags, and we're good for another 2 years. We just got the smog done right now and we passed. Had a little bit of issues with the air intake because it's aftermarket, but I have the carb sticker, so we're good. I just had to show them that, but I had to go back home. Right now I'm heading to Daniel's and about to install the parts, so I'm really excited and haven't seen Daniel in a cool minute. And I know he recently took delivery of the brand new G80 M3 and an individual midnight, I forgot what the midnight purple. Actually, I forgot what the color is called, my bad. But yeah, he just took delivery of it and I'm excited to see it, so I'll catch you guys when I'm there. Just pulled up and we have Daniel's beautiful M4. Wow, look at that. Like you see, his parking his driveway. It has a BMW parking only. Congrats. Congrats. Thanks, man. Wow, look at it. With the stickers and everything.
Yeah.
Brand new. Right out the dealer. Yeah. And this is the individual though. Color, what's the Daytona violet metallic?
Yeah.
Wow, it looks much better in person.
It's a little better, right? It's a little dirty. I haven't washed it yet.
And this is the M Performance exhaust?
Yeah.
I haven't seen it like in person, like at all, any of them.
Oh really?
I've never seen it.
Yeah, I've seen it only at like at OC Cars and Coffee on the M Performance cars from the M Performance center. Luckily, no one really has it, so this would be like a one-of-one individual.
This is Aries M4. Just got it back, and look at these headlights. Where did you get them from? Who did them? Originals?
Yeah, just swap brand new ones. Icon headlights. Carbon ceramic brakes.
I saw. You just got them, right? I was about to ask you. I was like, I don't remember you having carbon ceramics.
Carbon ceramics.
So you just got carbon ceramics. And they're beautiful. Beautiful lights.
I know. He upgraded the lights.
Yeah, he told me.
Yeah. I like the tint.
Rabbit, I want you to feel it. See if there's any issue with the exhaust.
Damn. This thing's, damn, that's crazy.
I'm sorry, what were you gonna say?
This thing's upgraded, correct?
Yes. It's upgraded screen, right?
Yeah.
What kind of screen is it? Alright guys, so this is actually upgraded by Eris. This is the ID7 screen. As you guys can see, it's a bigger screen, it's a bigger selection, and it's upgraded. So
Touchscreen.
Touchscreen and everything?
Yeah.
Wow. See, going to music.
And responsive too.
Oh yeah. That's Eris's playlist. You get Google Maps.
I did not know you could do this to the cars. Like, I've never. It looks really good though. Here we have the carbon side skirts.
All kinds of crazy
They're
stuff.
really clean, man. We have the splitter right here, which is a M Performance splitter, brand new.
Not only does it have power for the straight line, but
It's gonna like, wow, like look at the weaves on the carbon.
We have the 5100s, which are
Really
amazing.
clean.
We have some
We have Daniel's M3 right there.
We have upgraded.
And I'm just so excited to
all the power in the world, but if
get
you
this
can't
car
stop
going. And thank you, Daniel. Thank you very much. Look what he got me. I was looking for these yesterday, and you know, he came through. So I'm really grateful for that, because I went yesterday but the shop was closed, because on Sundays it's closed.
Yeah, we're gonna be.
We have Daniel vlogging over there. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't subscribed. You guys are missing out. This is what the car looks like before the side skirts. So we have the first side skirt done. Daniel always doing the best work, you know, he takes his time but he does like the best work. So
Yeah,
like,
sorry guys, I don't do fast.
he takes his time but he makes sure that like everything's like better than what you get at the mechanics. This is why like I trust Daniel with my car, and you know, honestly, like the work he does just speaks for itself. Like if you just see what he does, what he's done to the car on my channel, like I love it, you know. I'm a fan. With the headlights on, we're about to go get some lemonade. And he's done so many upgrades to his car. He has a speaker, BAF sound. He has the ID7. So his whole car is loaded, and it's pretty much better than factory. And tell him, Aris.
Exactly. Everything is better in factory.
Upgraded steering wheel, upgraded.
Everything here is upgraded, basically.
So this is Aris, and if you guys don't follow him already, follow him at Aris_.
BMW M.
There you go. He posts some great content, and if you guys are not familiar with what he does, he codes for his for cars, for BMWs. He could give you Apple CarPlay and explain to them what you do.
GTS flash, Euro MDM, seatbelt sound delete, folding mirrors, welcome lights, removing of adaptive light malfunction, TPMS light malfunction, Christmas lights removal. Whatever you guys need.
Everything with you. He's like the master coder here. So whatever you guys need, just give him shoot him a text, let him know I sent you, and he'll get you done right.
Yep.
This is carbon ceramics. Testing the carbon ceramics. God damn. That was good.
Alright. Thank you.
That was amazing.
It's crazy, huh?
One more time. Yeah.
Brandon loves it.
Hey, tell Brandon to say what's up to the vlog.
Brandon, say what's up to the vlog.
Hey, yo, Brandon, say what's
Brandon,
up.
yeah, you're on the vlog, homie.
He has a
Shout out. Sheesh, Brandon, that's Brandon's favorite feature. He loves it.
We got some lemonade.
No,
Aris signature.
neck warm.
So we have one of the side skirts on right now, and it just looks, definitely looks way better. It complements this, that, all of that. So we got the splitter, the brand new from BMW. I got it from M Parts Worldwide, guys. So if you guys need parts, like they have like the best parts. You can find parts for everything, so go check them out. And this is the old one. It literally just chewed up the whole thing. So if anyone wants this, let me know. The side skirt's done. We're gonna wait on the mid pipe just because we're gonna make sure that the transmission's running good. And all it has fluids. Just, you know, we want the best for our car, and we want it to be healthy before I put those on. So perhaps in like a week or two I'll put them on. But yeah, it's okay. We'll wait. But we got the side skirts done, and definitely good addition to the car. And we also finally changed the old one from that to that.
Honestly, it looks much better.
Yeah. Look at this. Wow. Side skirts make a huge difference. Maybe you can't tell in camera, but up close, like it just adds more depth to it, and it completes the car. We're missing some little splat slow right here, so we can like make it aggressive as much as we can. And then that we'll install the mid pipe some other day, since we gotta check our transmission fluid, and we gotta check, you know, make sure that everything's going healthy. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. And be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Again, it's not done yet.